Tree Cutting and Trimming Kings Park. Welcome to Tree Cutting and Trimming Kings Park. We do different services like tree removal, trimming and pruning, stump grinding, land clearing, roof line clearing, aerial bucket. We also do roof line clearing. Clearing your roof from overhanging limbs can be a tricky and dangerous job, and in most cases, likely an accident waiting to happen. Whether it's your home or business, not taking the proper action can result in damage to your property or worse, like an injury to a pet, child, or an innocent bystander. Tree Cutting and Trimming Kings Park has all the latest equipment to get the job done safely and efficiently. Our experienced team will leave you with healthier trees, a free roof, a clean, safe yard, and peace of mind. Contact Tree Cutting and Trimming Kings Park today to learn more about our services. For more information, please visit our website, www.branchingoutme.com. Or contact us through phone, 631-980-4606. You can visit our office, 12 West Main Street, number 538, Kings Park, New York 11754, United States. Tree Cutting and Trimming Kings Park.